Amaka, please.
Amaka, please.
Which one may I do? May I do
take
cocoa
us.
or may I take and go back in the days?
Okay, drop cocoa first. Make that one the cause argument.
Yes.
Then we'll go watch the video. When
Back
we come
in the
back, we'll
days.
talk about the cocoa.
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you the cocoa.
You want to hear the cocoa?
Yes, you need to hear the cocoa because this particular cocoa tastes like penny.
Ah.
How you go feel if your ex?
Okay, man, do
Your,
understand?
no, how you go feel if your sister or your what they call this thing? Your partner now.
Couple.
Your partner now, whether
husband or
Husband
wife.
or wife. I want couple they okay, abi?
Yeah.
How you go feel if your couple now?
Your couple.
How you go feel if
couple.
couple? You husband and wife.
If couple, if
How
couple.
go- if couple,
If
you be couple.
If couple. I understand
And
the
one
situation,
of
Amaka.
your
Please, not
okay, may I put it like this? How you go feel if your husband, ex,
Babe.
brother, can't stay in our house?
Amaka, yeah, I know.
I don't like one thing. Because when I hear the story, I don't first say,
I know say
how
they pay.
go
That's
take
what I understand.
They pay me.
Some kind of wicked person.
I tell you.
I said they get headache.
You come to give you another headache
Okay,
again.
man, see whether I feel break and down as they tell me.
Okay,
They tell
that
me
man
say,
understand you well.
No, we
wait.
understand you.
No, I need to explain them.
As
because
husband
other
and
person-
wife, maybe the wife or the husband now. The wife get ex-boyfriend and the man get ex-girlfriend.
Ex-girlfriend.
So maybe the husband now ex-girlfriend, brother, come stay with them.
for
Or
our
the
house.
wife, ex-boyfriend, brother or
come
sister
start.
come stay with them for their
Exactly.
house. Now,
Wetin
wait.
dey find?
Yes.
I don't get it, really.
Wetin
I
they
don't
find?
understand.
Now, what's that they ask you now? Say how you go feel?
For
you
me-
go gree or you go use broom chase and come out or you go rent hotel.
To answer your question, Amaka, my husband not fit bring the ex-girlfriend brother come stay in my house.
Why?
Because what if one day the ex come decide say she wan come greet her own brother wey dey my house? And then from story we enter another thing.
No, from club they don't.
From club, I not fit. No. If yes, I understand. Say they get some people where you go date and they go be family to you. Just because you and the man no actually end up together, not mean say the people where you don't make as family you forget them. I understand that fact. If my ex-boyfriend sister, she dey come Lagos now. Lagos na a new place to her, and she not get where stay. Instead of her to come my house, I go actually say, okay, call that my friend. Please, I can add money. Join the money where you get on ground, make you take rent apartment. But for you to come stay in my house,
But you know say she not going to get the apartment immediately.
she go get her immediately. With agent, you go get them today.
Once you get money,
Just have your money.
As a visitor, you don't have a choice.
Ha! No way.
Anyway, they give it, I go say.
No
But
way.
for me, I go say it depends on the kind of relationship. Oh. When I mean relationship, sometimes you go, they say them bath picking, they wash picking throw away with the water. You see that person where won't come. So if you know, yes, the relationship no end into marriage. No mean say the brother na bad person. That guy, if he come now, come become somebody will go help maybe your own younger sister or your own brother in future. But the only part where they concerned, because I no go one share. As a good citizen of Nigeria, I shall help you. I go bring the guy, I go explain my situation to him. Brother, I like you so much. But because I not just dey comfortable.
Yes.
I no quarrel with you. Food, control food go. But you know what? Is that maybe you help me stay for one of my friends, please? Or for the meantime, or now me go dey look for the place. So we go far from the house.
Yes.
Because I know here. But still, even as if far, so they go still collaborate with him sister and my husband because he go on check. Oh, okay, how is he? Oh, my wife got him a place to stay, so you can't stay in your house, Abi.
Exactly the point I
Well,
wanted
sorry,
to know.
if it were you two, you not agree. Eh? That your wife, I would that chin leg like chingy. No problem. I hope it's fine. Yes, he comes to the house to come and eat.
No
Thank
way.
you.
No way.
no, they talk long things, simple and short. You won't come stay in my house with my husband. Sorry, uncle, you know if you stay. We
Simple.
no get space for my house.
Simple.
But take 5 naira, join waiting you get, go find your own house.
Excuse me, shake hand. Just give me
Oh,
5.
but me, I am
Thank
a good
you.
somebody.
So,
I won't
I
try
be
to
bad
drive
person.
you away.
I'm not driving, I just say it's a space, no
Meanwhile,
day.
and then still
I
they
say you no
argue
go
for
stay,
here.
oh.
Maybe
You no go
we
stay,
just
but in a
show us
very-
our old school video, I beg. Yeah, and if you continue.
The argument continue from here, but go on top
You
of
know
it
if you
and make
stay
it
in
go
my house,
argue.
no.
Watch
way.
this
What are you
video.
doing there?
Make
Are you a monitoring
old school video,
spirit?
please. Old school.
No, seriously.
Old school
To me, I
video,
feel
old
say
school
you won't
video.
call the monitors.
Yes,
I'm
now
sorry.
the monitoring spirits be that
You won't
one.
call the
now.
monitor.
The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of promotion. Preaching practical solution. A Fuji house of promotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. companion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, pollution. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the plantation.
Love wanting you. Ijemona love no for the wanting you. Ijemona love no for the wanting. So Chief, what of the beer parlor I told you I want to open in front of the house?
No. I don't want any beer parlor here. It will corrupt the children.
Okay, I will open it in another place.
No.
Why? Chief,
Yeah.
why?
It will corrupt you.
How can it corrupt me? Eh?
Please, you think all those men who go to beer parlor, they don't go there for pepper soup and beer?
Chief. Oh, so that is what you go and do in other people's beer parlor, eh?
Now you know, but I don't want beer parlor. Finish.
But Salome has a beer parlor.
Salome is not my wife.
Chief, what you are doing is not good though. Mama Moji has a lace shop. Ireti is pregnant with twins. I'm doing nothing. Or demo.
Please, you too, you can have a baby if you want. Yeah. Please, you want to kill me?
I'm not finished yet.
You want to kill me? Now by force. I'm going back to the office. What is it?
Sorry, oh yeah. Don't worry, I will do it very, very gently this time around. Hey, I'm getting a chincha. What is wrong with Mrs. Bedbug?
Please. Continue doing to me what you are doing to me.
I will love you tomorrow, honey.
Thank you.
I will love you all the day.
You know, peace. All this loving is the reason I married you.
Yes, sir. You just love me today. I will love you tomorrow. I will love you all the day. I will love you tomorrow. You just love me today. Yes. I will love you.
I'm enjoying this one, though. One at the head, one at the toe. Please, why?
I don't fetch water from public taps.
Come back here. I'm not public taps.
Go.
Leave me alone. Please, come back here. I am not a public toilet. Come back here. Hello? Who is Erasmus? Oh. You want to speak to peace? Erasmus. You want to speak to my own peace on my own phone? Eh? You want to speak to my own wife, peace? Erasmus, or what did you say your name was? My beg you for him. Yes, I will cut a massive tree for you. My beg you for any.
Cut a massive tree for you. I beg you for it.
My beg you for it. I go cut cane for you like.
That's your size. We go cane you well.
We go finish you well.
Well, I don't see that punchline where that woman give.
I don't fetch water from public taps.
Ooh. That was a punchline, sister.
Because you go there don't mean I should go there.
That was a punchline. But how you say this about school video?
Beautiful, beautiful. Those are the days where we say people they look forward to TV. You know, for evening. Those days where we say now till 4 o'clock. Till 4 o'clock before you see any program. And those days if you come back from school, we go first they see all the color. The yellow, the white, the blue, when at 4 o'clock you'll hear Those were the days.
Why those stations not they play Nigerian anthem except October?
No, because nowadays they know they do 4 o'clock starting. Then they do
all through the
24 hours.
24 hours. 24 so they know they do that. We go resume 4 o'clock.
But NTA still they do them.
Because our government
federal station.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Fuji house of commotion. So you will marry more than one wife. No, say you are creating your own house of commotion.
Funny enough, then get people will marry 5 and they live in peace and harmony.
I don't know how possible it is.
Peace and harmony for face.
No. For not, you go see they did the same compound. Like they will say Amaria, Wargida, Mama, Kinikon, like 5 of them inside the same compound. See? But not the northern culture.
Yes.
And you know what's the amazing thing we say, today they go say now my turn to cook and the children go eat inside tray. Everybody go sit down for I love that thing. Everybody go sit down inside tray. They go put the tuwo or rice one place, put the soup, and they go eat inside the same pot, inside the same plate. Everybody go dip hand inside that pot. Then they'll put meat for one side. When I finish, the elders go hold the plates. Everybody go carry in meat. The remaining one in go eat. Very beautiful lifestyle, but maybe everybody they live like that. Sometimes they work. It depends on how you feel older.
Just know what they took at the inside. All right, make we just actually play our musical video where we go check our inside to know whether this one is music or nazikmu.
On a noise.
Or nazikmu.
On a noise.
Noise. They disturb people ear.
I know.
If you give people ear cataracts.
Alpha.
Our video not
Maybe the video.
That's why they ask you Alpha.
All right, so we'll go on top of Twitter.
Maybe we'll read Twitter.
Okay, here what's in the happen.
I need to cross leg.
I need to cross my leg. I'm a lady.
Oh, sorry.
At Jim Manuel, they say talk Wazobia. This is serious, so now they talk climb. Before marriage or after, I beg, discuss them again. I won't hear more. Climb.
What you don't say me by climb?
Now that time they say with this person climb.
Everything they say with me by climbing.
No, I explain myself. When the band won't climb, Henry won't climb the band, and Yusuf won't climb the band.
And Betty, I go use the band climb go up. I know they climb the band as well.
People know they climb down, then they climb
go up now.
Yes.
I don't know why Amaka want to climb the band. Really?
You don't know
it's very wrong.
You have to climb the band before marriage or after marriage.
Please go on with the tweet.
At Mariam530, she talks said this actress they yarn nonsense. Because every woman they are attractive in her own way.
Yes.
Black or white, and not every fair lady they bleach.
Points.
At Dorothy Romeo,
we need soundtrack.
say talk Wazobia. Now Peter, now the person where did that picture?
We go see at the end of this day.
Good job, talk ladies. God bless you all richly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At Abbas Yakub, in say at talk Wazobia, that guy in a Peter of P Square now. Send my gift, sharply.
We never reach the end of show.
And Miriam talked the same thing. She said this pic look like Paul of P Square. #talk.
Thank you, lady. All right, thanks a bunch. Abby?
You're welcome.
All right, since our video no great play, we talk to us. I don't know what's in
Yes, as our video no great play, be like saying now because Amaka won't climb the bench because I don't understand why he would.
Wait.
No, let me tell you something. No, you need to allow me land first. Let me land.
No land. If I say I won't climb the bench first,
it's wrong.
Why?
Because you don't climb people to achieve greatness.
As you know, one climb, so now back to me.
It's wrong to climb people.
Maybe we see our old school picture.
No, not old school.
We are Sorry.
We get where Ultra
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So time for Wear or Throw. Our first picture of the. Okay. Something that actually happened today. I don't know what thing they happened really, but let's say our we all throw away fly come out.
I'll tell you what thing happened. Rihanna don't see all of them. They use her egg. Her clothes they do egg yolk. Beyonce says Siam. Kim Kardashian says Siam. So they say una no rich. So they have come and do an abracadabra something.
They use their
and everything have come and disappeared. So like I was saying, let us see our old school picture before
and after. Now, old school picture, show it to us, producer.
Guess who? Who are you? Who are you?
Who is this person, Amaka, please?
Who are you? You have a dancist, you have a singist.
Spiritual thank you. Amaka, oh yeah, okay. Talk.
So, the person is a dancist, he is a singist, and he is a twinnie. So it's very easy to know. So who is the person? Peter on P-Square, Peter Okoye.
That means face no change.
Yeah,
no
change.
For people to actually, that picture will be like 14 or 15 there.
Yeah.
It will be very, very young.
Yes,
for him to, that means the face no really change.
To get, you know.
But Peter is a fine man.
No, that is why I look like him.
You know, now people like this, now, I know say I don't like to decline people
you see,
for success.
Where's he walk climb?
Oh, but you don't
you walk climb now.
Because he's rich.
So you want
Lola or Motayo.
Uwi wants to
climb your husband.
Hashtag take notes.
Climb your husband.
She wants to climb Peter. She wants to climb Peter.
Okay, it's time for us to leave, but I need to make people understand something. Some people, they actually climb others to achieve greatness. Now, like your boss go employ people. So that's what I'm just saying. I don't get you guys, please.
Before we leave,
you have to be serious.
Dorothy Romeo and Abbas Yakub will now have come and win a recharge card something, and we inbox it and give it to you.
Hey, we go see you tomorrow, Comedy Friday. My name is Sirimen Uvi Ehigamusa.
Yes, my name is Sirimen Betiana Unwelu, and I get very casual day tomorrow, not Friday.
My name is Namaka Okujafo. Bye.
My name na Quimby Obalo. Make una watch out for Friday because we get one casual get to
correct, guys.
You know what tell us the name?
No.
Of the person they come.
They better follow us on Twitter.
Okay, yes, if you tell them that's how they go to
okay.
No, they go see them.
They will see them for Twitter.
Okay.
And Facebook.
They like your guests.
Yes, we go tell them for Facebook and Twitter.
As we always they talk.
So talk no be bad thing, but make you know what you talk about.